Hey everyone, Ricky here, back with another video. Today we go over pricing options with a client. This is a cut down from a pro call that Chris did earlier this year, and this is what you could expect if you were to join the pro group. We do calls like this twice a week, and it's either Chris or one of the other managers here that run them. The topics vary mostly, but they deal with problems that the pro members have in their business. And after you join the group, you get access to hundreds of calls just like this one. So if you want to grow your business, grow your community, or expand your network, consider joining the pro group today by signing up with the link in the video description. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Take out a piece of paper or get something to write with, and I want you to write down your core offering, the thing that you sell the most of, and just write some bullet points what that looks like. And then write the price down, okay? And then what you want to do is to write something that's less than that to the left and something much more expensive to the right. It helps people to make a decision. So what's happening is when Shia, I assume, is submitting an estimate and talking to a client about his full branding offering, he's presenting them one option. So what do? They're going to go shop around. They're going to compare. They're going to think about it. They're going to mull it over. So one of the best things that you can do is you can just give them something to compare you against, yourself. So if a full branding package costs 10 to 20K, maybe just a logo or the strategy session is 5 with no deliverables except for the strategy part, or just a logo and no other branding components to it. And then the large version of this, now we're gonna have to use our imagination because $20,000 was his former high ticket item. So now let's say that you included coaching in the high ticket item, and you included training for the staff or 6 months of oversight or something like that. The whole point is to make it easier for them to say, you know what, that $20,000 looks like the best value for us. Matthew, who is in the Alt MBA program now, he's going through, I think, week 3 or 2. And he was talking about how if you look at a wine list and the wine list starts at $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, and $45, the one that everybody picks is the one in the middle, $30 bottle of wine. And that's what people do. So if you reset that and you start the price again at 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, then they pick the new one. It's like what everybody picks is the one in the middle. It feels like I deserve a little bit more, but I don't need the very best. So I want you to try that now. I want you to think about your product offerings and be able to present to your clients to say, like, I have 3 options that I've crafted just for you. Option number 1 is what I would call the white glove experience. You can give it a name and describe it as, we do strategy, we do the branding, we write your copy, and we also include 3 months of maintenance or oversight. We'll train your team. It includes X number of hours. I'm available 24 hours a day. And that's going to be $45,000. And you just pause for a little bit. Let the price anchor do its work for you. Okay. Then you can say that moving on to what is our most popular package, it's $20,000. We do the branding, the messaging, and the strategy, but we don't do any oversight. Some people don't need that, don't want it. They have teams in-house to do it. And the last option I've crafted for you is you just want a quick logo, and we can do that. And we can do that for 10K. So no strategy, you tell me what you need. I create you a logo. I do 3 versions, and then we're out.
And that does it for today's video. Short and sweet. Did you learn anything? Are you going to start using different pricing options for you and your clients? Comment below why or why not. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we will see you in the next video.